Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzy, and if you're new here, you're also welcome to the family. Please feel free to like, comment, share and subscribe. And just as a summary, the purpose of this channel and this video is to help you make money, save money, make your money work harder. So today's topic is the same as the last video, which is the current theme of scholarships. This video is scholarships for Muslim students, fee payers. So just going to jump into the video and yeah, see you on the other side. So first scholarship is from the University of Westminster. It's the Aziz Foundation Postgraduate Scholarship. Now this scholarship is open to people who are Muslim students, who are Black, Asian or ethnic minority backgrounds, and who are going to study at the University of Westminster. You can just copy this into your browser, or you can just type this and University of Westminster into Google and you will arrive at this page. It's postgraduate, it's for 1 year fee, and it's for UK students who hold a 2022 course offer. So obviously it's January 2022 right now, so if you apply today you can get an offer for the September entry. And it's for full-time or part-time courses at the University of Westminster. You need to be active within the Muslim community and demonstrate intimate knowledge of issues affecting British Muslim communities. You must be able to demonstrate a long-term commitment to community societal development within Britain. And if you apply for one of these, if you apply for a course within one of these subjects, it's eligible. So media and journalism, technology, sustainability, environment, law, policy, and creative content. And then obviously, as I mentioned earlier, you need to be a Muslim and also a Black, Asian or ethnic minority. They have 5 scholarships available. So the first deadline is actually 31st of March. So but it's still early January now, so you have time to meet the first deadline, and then the second deadline is the 11th of July. I would advise you to try and get it in early so you can get the first deadline, because they only have 5 scholarships available. And yeah, so let's see if we can find out more information about what the scholarship is. So this is more about the scholarship, and so there's actually quite a few other universities this Aziz scholarship is for as well. King's College, Birmingham, London South Bank, select courses only. So I've mentioned the criteria. There's some means tested things as well you need to check. And then those are the key dates mentioned. Ready. You need to submit a personal statement of no more than 1,000 words. These scholarships for process, criteria. Is there a financial limit to your scholarship? There's not a limit to the funding we offer. However, please note that we cover tuition fees only, and that more expensive courses may receive partial funding only. So basically, with this Aziz Foundation, this scholarship we've just looked at, it will cover your whole course fees. And it does say here actually, scholarship program offers 100% tuition fee for master's scholarships to British Muslims studying at UK universities. So yeah, if you're a British Muslim, you are looking to do a master's, then I would encourage you, if you're actually in one of these areas as well, trying to do a master's, feel free to apply to this, because this is free money and it will actually pay for 100% of your tuition fee. It does say here they're not accepting for science, health, policy or mathematics courses, but you can see here all the courses they are accepting for. So yeah, this is the Aziz Foundation, which also we've looked at the University of Westminster program in particular, but as we've actually just looked at the Aziz Foundation website, we can see also that there are actually other universities that this Aziz Foundation can be apply to as well for scholarships. So yeah, if you're in the UK, maybe you live outside of London, you've got places like Birmingham, Sheffield, which have certain courses you can apply on as well. So yeah, that's the first scholarship we're looking at for today. And then the second type of scholarship we're going to look at is from UCL. Now, this UCL scholarship is to enable underrepresented backgrounds within the Faculty of Built Environment to pursue masters. Right, so let's just look at what does this cover. So this scholarship is full tuition fees, so that's your whole course fees paid for, plus a living allowance of £15,364 for the normal duration of the programme with the university. There are 10 scholarships available starting 2022, and it says we're also offering up to 3 additional scholarships with the Aziz Foundation. Obviously, they're for prospective students. That means someone that's going to enter the university. Their postgraduate level. Applications open 1st of March 2022. So I know it's only January, but we're getting in there early. So if you want to apply for this, you can ensure you have read the criteria properly, and then also it really talked here about who can apply. So who can apply? UK domiciled, so basically live in the UK and be acknowledged as a UK home status student, or be a forced migrant, and then obviously be studying one of their programs. You must not have completed a master's anywhere else, and then you need to identify as British Muslim or work and support British Muslim communities, and then you need to also meet one of these criteria. So either be a Black, Asian, minority, ethnic group, disability, care leaver, gypsy traveller, have care responsibilities, be the first in your family to attend university at postgraduate level or undergraduate level, and so on. And then it says here how to apply. So if we just look here at the how to apply, as I mentioned, 1st of March is when the application form is available and you can apply, and then closing date is the 31st of May. You need to obviously ensure you've received an offer to one of these Bartlett schools, which we'll look at in a minute, and it has to be to study a master, one of these master's programs. You don't need to have accepted the offer yet. And then it talks here about shortlisting and things like that. And then I think there's a selection process. Okay. It's just a panel that will assess your application, and then after that you get an outcome. Now, we just went through this and we saw that there was something highlighted which I want to quickly check. We'll run through now. Eligibility criteria, there it is. So when we looked at this earlier just now, it said something about Bartlett programs. So let's check what are Bartlett programs. And I think there was something else as well, master's programs. So Bartlett program, this is another link which is opened. So it's saying within architecture. So let's look which programs. So they have let's see here, Masters of Architecture. So it looks like it's if you want to do architectural landscaping degrees, this is appropriate, the scholarship. And it says browse all programs. Oh, so you've got other ones as well. So actually they've got quite a lot of degrees. Oh wow, okay. This is just one I've opened. So let me close that back, and you can see all the different schools, institute areas within UCL where these are all classed as Bartlett programs. So we've just looked at a few here. Spatial data science, valuation. We looked at architecture. We look at it again. Let's look. I don't know. Sustainable heritage. there's that one, and let's just open one more. Let's say this one. So yeah, there's quite a few courses within the university. The episode applications open March, so you can just start to have a look around now and see if there's anything you're interested in. And then when the time comes, obviously come back to their website and then apply on the website for the course that you like. If this is an area you're interested in and would like to obviously be a recipient of their scholarship, which is full tuition fees plus a living allowance of £15,364. So yeah, that today's topic was scholarships for Muslim students. So as I've mentioned, my first video on this channel, this whole channel actually is to help you make money, save money, and make your money work harder. So I've just shown you today another way where you can save money by obviously applying for these scholarships. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care and God bless.